Yokoso to my channel, everybody. Have you been doing well? Of course you have. How can I not be doing well? In this video, let's see what can we do. Let me show you all the projects I've made. I think that would be a good topic. We got personal projects here. I'll full screen it. Then here, this is the first ever project I made, which is a calculator. It's a really simple calculator. It just takes one argument here, one argument here, and then you put what the function you want to do, and then you run it, and it shows the answer. Really simple. Then in 2.0, I took some input, and then it showed the answer. Like you put your two numbers and then it will show the answer. You also have to put the function, of course. Then in 3 I upgraded it a bit more, like added more advanced function, like you cannot divide by 0 following the math rules. And yeah, it's pretty similar but different at the same time. Then what project did I make? The next one I made was this multiplication table. I was learning for loop at the time. Uh, Here is we using a for loop, and this one is using a while loop. They give the same results. You enter the number, I mean the table you want, and how long should the table be, and there you got the table. These two are the same, just using different loops. Then what did I make? Then I made this greetings using the time module. It's asking me what the name is. I'm gonna put it guy learns code. And huh, it didn't show. What the hell? Hang on, why didn't it show? What is the name? Guy who codes. It's not showing an output. Hang on, let me go fix it real quick. Alright, I fixed it. I made quite a stupid mistake. I did it like I put 0 here. How can something be greater than 20 and less than 0 simultaneously? It had to be 24. I did that, and now the code should work properly. Which is guy learns code. See, it says good night, guy learns code. In the morning it will say good morning. Then what project did I made? Then I think I made this who wants to be a millionaire. Here it got the question, it stores the question, it stores the answer as lists, then it shows the correct answers, then the prizes, then it just shows welcome to millionaire. And the code logic here, it prints the questions one by one. Here questionnaire 1, so it will print this. Then for q in questions, q in options, options q, so this lines then print q, so all it prints all of that. And then if answer is equal to input, and if answer equal to this, then congrats, you won. Otherwise than that, and then it otherwise wrong answer, then total price, and you're taking home this, then price is that. And if you complete all of that, then you have successfully completed this, and your total price is that. Let me just give you a demo. So what is the capital of Australia? I actually don't know. The answer is C. There we go. Congrats, you won 100. What is known as the red planet is, of course, A. You won 200. Who wrote Romeo Juliet? B. William Shakespeare. And then you won 400. Now if I give a wrong answer, then wrong answer. Better luck next time. You are taking home $400. Now let's see. I think the next project I made is this code language.py, but well, the order doesn't really matter. But yeah, it basically encodes and decodes the message you write. Here it will now write, take the what function what you want to do, and here please enter a number. Like it takes what function you want to do. If one, then it takes a message. Then it takes the first character, puts it at the end, and then adds three random characters at the end and the beginning. Yeah, so if operation equal to 1, it takes a message, then splits them into with a space, then your message gets encrypted. If the length is less than 2, it just simply reverses it. If not, then it will put the first character at the end and then add three random stuff characters, and then append it to the result, and it will show the result. And for the decoding, it does the opposite. It first removes the three random characters from both sides, then puts the last one at the front, and then there we go. Here it will be returned. And then if 3, it just exits. And then if you enter the wrong function, then it just says wrong function. If I enter 6, it won't work. The function does not exist. If I press 1 and write hello friends, then it will become whatever this is. Then I'm gonna copy it simply, then 2 and enter it. It is gonna be decoded to hello friends. So that's that. Then another project I made is this digital clock. It's just a clock. Yeah, as the name suggests, just a clock. If I enter it, start it, it's just a clock. It shows the time every second. It updates the time. Then another one I made is this file sorter. Hang on, let me demonstrate it. For that I will have to create a folder. I'll be back in a minute. Here I just made 20 scrambled files using this script, and no, not this. Here, file sorter. If I go into file sorter, it will ask me what the directory is. I'll say CRAMBLED, then slash. In fact, I don't even need the slash. It just automatically does appends it. CRAMBLED, yeah, that's correct. Then which file format do you want to organize? Text. I'll enter text. See, you got organize 1 through 20 immediately in fraction of seconds. But the Pi didn't. Only the specified file format will. Alright, now let's see. Now I've got this last word length. It calculates the length of the last word of a sentence. It's pretty useless, not practical at all. If I write hello Tomodachi, it will say calculating. I just give it a bit of a dramatic look using the time module. It doesn't really need it. So yeah, the last word length is Tomodachi with length 9. Then one game I make, this one was really fun. It's a lottery game. It was like really fun to make. It takes a parameter like what are the chances gonna be, 1 through 1000. You gotta enter a chance. There is about a 10% chance, I think. No, not a tenth. In fact, 1.9% chance, I think. Yeah, I will enter a random number 367. Let's see, it's drawing some dramatic effects, and it's calculating, and you did not win, of course. If the number you choose is the same as any of the 10, then you win. It's as simple as that. You can check the code. This part takes your number as input. This just gives the dramatic loading screen effect. This finds the 10 random numbers. This shows the numbers, and if number is equal to num, then you win. Then I made is this game. Yeah, now this one also super fun to make. I know the logic is a bit unconventional, but it works. The reason it is unconventional is because I didn't want to make it like choose 0, 1 to 3. I wanted to make it like snake water gun, then give this like emojis. That's why it had to be done like this, and then colors too, and that's why. I'll choose continue. Press SWG for your snake water gun. I'll choose S, the computer chose snake, so it's a draw. I'll choose gun, the computer chose water and I lose. I'll choose water. Yeah, that's not it. I'll choose water. That's again a draw. So yeah, you got how it works. You can check the code. It would take a long time to explain. Now this again super fun to make, and it took a lot of time too. But I mean, at the beginning I didn't understand much. I just did it, but now I understand fully. I can make it anytime I want. So here, if I run it, then you can add a task like, let's say, drink water. Do you want to continue? Yes. Then again, let me add a task like what? Sleep. Then continue. Yes. Then I can add like eat. Then continue. Yes. And then I can view task with too. You can view all the tasks. Then mark task as complete. What do I want to mark as complete? Let's drink water. 3, drink water as complete. Then I'll confirm it, continue. Then 2, see, it shows completed. And then again, if I continue, then 4. Yeah, what do I want to delete? Let's delete the one I've done. So this, and we want to confirm, and then yes, I show. Then it's been deleted. So yeah, you see how it works. Continue. Then I'll just quit. Then what else? Now a trigonometric what? Now a trigonometric ratio calculator. It just shows it calculates the angle value of sine, cos, tan, cot, cos. It takes all the values and converts it. Pretty simple. I use the math module, of course. Otherwise, it won't work. Let's see. I want the value of tan 78 degrees. Yeah, it shows me what the value is. Then 2. It's a simpler method, like more concise. If we compare, this takes a lot of space. This doesn't take a lot of space, but it does the same thing. Want to continue? I want sine of 67. Here it shows me what the value is. Then I made a news app. It didn't really work well. Let's see. Like here, it has the Tesla topic, right? If I play this, then see how many news are there. Like there are just so many. But in this app that I made, only the language, only the region works. US, I'll just skip all that and it will show US. But if I want to see US but topic related to Tesla, it will show nothing. Removed. I don't know if it's a matter in the server or not. And yeah, that's all. That's everything I made so far. I hope you learned something from this video. It, it was a fun video to make, showing all my work. So yeah, if you like this video, please consider liking and give me a subscribe to join me on this journey. Thanks for giving me your time, and again, thanks for watching. Goodbye.